Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, are police batons legal in California? This is a question a lot of people ask, especially when thinking about self-defense, and the answer is not what many expect. The short and simple answer for the average citizen is no, they are not legal to own or carry. California has some of the strictest weapon laws in the country, and the police-style baton falls squarely into a prohibited category. The main law you need to know is California Penal Code Section 22210. This law makes it a crime for any person in the state to manufacture, import, sell, give away, or possess any instrument or weapon known as a billy or blackjack. The term billy is a broad legal term that covers a wide variety of blunt force instruments. This includes traditional wooden nightsticks, clubs, and, most importantly for modern self-defense questions, the popular collapsible or expandable steel batons. The key word in that law for most people is possess. This means simply having one is illegal. It doesn't matter if you bought it legally in another state, or if you only plan to keep it in your home for self-defense. Possession itself is the crime. You cannot legally keep one under your bed, in your nightstand, or in the trunk of your car for protection. The law doesn't make an exception for your home or your vehicle. The penalties for violating this law are severe. It's what's called a wobbler offense, meaning the prosecutor has the discretion to charge it as either a misdemeanor or a felony. A misdemeanor conviction could result in up to a year in county jail and fines. However, a felony conviction is much more serious, potentially leading to time in state prison and the loss of certain civil rights, including your right to own a firearm. Now, there are very limited exceptions. The law primarily applies to civilians. Sworn law enforcement officers and certain licensed security guards who have the proper certification and training are generally exempt, but only while they are on duty. These exceptions do not apply to the general public. The reason the law is so strict is that the state views these batons as deadly and offensive weapons, not purely defensive tools. If you are looking for a legal self-defense option in California, you should consider alternatives like pepper spray or stun guns, which are legal for most adults to carry, though they have their own set of rules and restrictions. To be clear, for the average person in California, owning or carrying any kind of police-style baton is illegal and carries a risk of serious criminal charges. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember, I am not an attorney and this video does not constitute legal advice, it is for informational purposes only. If you have a specific legal situation, you should consult with a qualified lawyer. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides on important legal topics. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for a future video.